Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Honor 7C, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First, let's lock the screen on our phone by pressing the power button. Then find the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device it's located right here on the left side. Let's pick up our phone, place it like this, and here we have SIM card and SD card tray. On it we have this small hole, and we can use it to open the tray. We also need some kind of pin, for example paper clip or this kind of pin tool that usually comes with your phone. We need to insert it into this hole on the SIM card and SD card tray, then push it in like this. The tray will pop out. We can remove the pin and take out the tray. Here we have our tray. We have two SIM card slots and SD card slot. To put the SIM card on it, simply take the nano sized SIM card, place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. And SD card, it works similarly, just simply place it on a trace or other tray like this. Be careful though, because the cards tend to fall off, as you can see from the tray. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up my phone and lay it flat like this, so I can insert the tray. And when you're inserting the tray, make sure that the side with the writing on the SIM card and SD card is facing the screen, like this, facing up basically. Oh, be careful though, as you can see the SIM card jumped off the tray. Let's try again. Slowly insert it into your phone and then slide it in like this and slide it till the end like that. Okay, unlock our phone, and as you can see the SIM card is working. Let's tap on restart and wait. As you can see, the SIM card is working. We need to enter the pin for it, so let's do it. And SD card should be working as well. Let's check the notifications. As you can see, it is, because we have the notification about it. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.